You pick question number 16. So here's your question. If you could suggest one area for improvement at Summer College, what would it be and how would you address it? Again, if you could suggest one area for improvement at Summer College, what would it be and how would you address it? You have 1 minute.
The improvement that I would suggest is to further improve the extracurricular activities like these programs. Because I believe programs that builds confidence, discipline, and leadership, like these pageants and programs, help students grow even beyond the classroom. And it doesn't only focus on academic excellence, but as well as character development. Because through this program, it made me who I am today. Because I grew up as a shy person, and now through this program, I'm standing here in front of you, representing the community.
Hi guys! Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Please subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Yan. Subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys, please subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Subscribe!
MacJude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and MacJude TV. Thank you.